You certainly have heard that passion fruit is a great natural calmer, haven't you? Passion fruit has calming and sedative properties that calm the nervous system and fight anxiety, irritability, insomnia, and nervous disorders. With all these properties, passion fruit tea or juice make a good natural option to make you sleep better. If you follow our channel, you probably know how much we talk about teas and natural alternatives to improve your sleep. Did you know that sleep issues are becoming more and more common in our society? Sleep diseases are more frequent now and are reflected in the productiveness and health of those who live with them. Sleep is a repairing stage during which the body restores its functions, repairs damaged cells and the immune system, enhances muscles, and organizes our thoughts and ideas. If these systems don't get the rest they need, all body functions suffer the consequences. The World Health Organization, WHO, estimates that 40% of the population suffers from sleep disorders. According to a recent survey, the use of sleep medications increased 560% between 2011 and 2018. With the pandemic, there was an increase in insomnia and the search for sleep medications, most times without medical prescription. Did you know that sleep medication can cause sleepiness the next day? It can lower your reflexes and cause accidents. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. If you identify with this issue, stay here to learn how to make a passion fruit and fennel tea to help you calm down, sleep better, and fight insomnia, stress, and anxiety. Write down the ingredients: 2 passion fruits, 2 tablespoons chamomile, 2 tablespoons fennel, 34 ounces water, honey, brown, or demerara sugar to taste, optional. Sanitize the passion fruits. If you can find organic ones, opt for them. Remove the pulp and set it aside. Slice the skin into small pieces. We will use the whole fruit to make a very concentrated tea. Put the water in a pot, add the passion fruit pulp and skin, and let it boil for 10 minutes over medium heat with the lid on. After boiling, turn off the heat. Add the chamomile and fennel, stir, close the lid, and let it infuse for 10 minutes. Next, remove the passion fruit skin and strain the infusion. Drink it half an hour before going to bed. You can add some sugar or sweetener if you want. This tea is only contraindicated for low blood pressure or depression, as it can worsen these 2 health issues. To have a good night of sleep, remember to get home at least 3 hours before your sleep time. Finish your workday at least 2 hours before going to bed, using this time to shower, read, and relax. Not go to bed if you are sleepy. Not use your bed to read, watch TV, or plan your day. Have a regular schedule to wake up and sleep. Avoid stimulant foods and alcoholic or caffeinated beverages. Eating close to your bedtime is not recommended. Avoid watching TV, especially exciting shows. Not do intense exercises close to your bedtime. Keep these rules even during weekends. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.